Ariana Grande laid out all of her feels on Twitter over the weekend when she admitted that between losing Mac Miller and splitting up with Pete Davidson, this has been the most painful chapter of her life yet. Plus, she revealed how she's gotten through it all. We're talking all things Ariana now, so you Arianators are gonna want to stay right there. How's it going, guys? I'm Madison Hill. Ari laid her heart out on Twitter over the weekend, and I am here for it. And I know you all will be too. So as we've said over and over again, the universe has been serving Ariana up a real hard time lately. We had her whirlwind romance to Pete Davidson that ended as quickly as it began, plus all the drama since the breakup. And of course, the loss of Mac Miller, which we all know has been continuing to hit Ariana hard since it happened. However, now Ari is letting us in on how she's really felt during these trying few months, and she left it all out on Twitter. Ariana started her honest Twitter rant saying, "What an interesting, challenging, painful, and yet beautiful and exciting chapter of life. When it rains, it pours, but I'm embracing all of it. I'm excited for whatever else the universe has in store for me. She's growing, and she's grateful." Ari then went on to reveal how she's gotten through these difficult days, and it sounds like it's all thanks to her best pals. She sent out another tweet saying, "Thank you to my best friends who have helped me turn the literal sourest of lemons into the sweetest pink ass lemonade ever. Clink, clink."
Clink, clink.
Ari then went on to respond to a fan tweet and use it as a way to let all of her fans know they've also helped her during this hard time too, saying that they were her motivation and thank you for holding her hand through it all. Ariana ended the Twitter love rant saying, "Love you, and I think we can all agree that there are very few celebs who could go through what Ari has and still face her fans with honesty about the pain she's experienced on social media. I have so much respect for her, it's not even funny." Clearly, I'm a huge fan of Ariana laying it all out on Twitter, but what about you guys? Let me know all your thoughts about Ari's feels down there in the comments. For more on Ariana, check out our story on the surprise party her friends threw for her, and for more celeb news, subscribe now.